Samsung is working on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, aiming to make it the most powerful phone ever with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. People were hoping for a bigger battery in the S25 Ultra, but Samsung wants to keep the phone slim and sleek like the S24 Ultra. So, unfortunately, there won't be a bigger battery in the S25 Ultra despite all its power. Samsung has a surprise up their sleeve for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a battery AI. This clever tech could improve battery performance by up to 10% without making the battery bigger or slowing down the phone's CPU or GPU. It's like magic, and while we're not exactly sure how it works, it sounds promising. Every year, we hope for faster charging in Samsung's new flagship phones, but it seems like the S25 series might stick with the same 45 watts fast charging. It's possible this could change, but don't get too hopeful. Also, there's buzz that the S25 series could be the last to feature an AMD GPU. It looks like Samsung might be saying goodbye to AMD GPUs after the S25 series. Instead, they're rumored to be developing their own GPUs for the S26 series in 2026. This change might be because people were hoping for a super powerful GPU with the Samsung AMD collaboration, but it didn't quite live up to expectations. Qualcomm's Adreno graphics turned out to be the most powerful, even though people were expecting big things from Samsung and AMD. But now, Samsung is planning to make their own GPUs, which is exciting. Early rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra might have a super bright screen reaching 3000 nits, breaking records again. But remember, it's just a rumor for now, so we might see something even better when it's officially announced. According to Immerse, the main camera sensor on the S25 Ultra might stay the same as the S24 Ultra, but with some tweaks and improvements thanks to the new camera ISP in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. However, there's hope for an upgrade in the ultra-wide-angle sensor from 12 to 50 megapixels on the S25 Ultra, which would be a welcome improvement. Next year, Samsung might launch their powerful Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra alongside the S25 series. Rumors suggest it could have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, but some say it might feature the Snapdragon X Plus chip, which is said to be even better than Apple's M3 chip in their latest iPad. This would be the first time Samsung uses such a high-performance chip in their biggest tablet. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Losing time, I'm fading fast, I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past, I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack, restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief.